October 29th, 2020 Daily Math Review. So number 1 says select each expression that is equivalent or equal to 5 times the quantity of 4C plus 6 end quantity. So I pulled this out over here for us to take a look at it and pull it apart so that we can see what it's actually equivalent to. So the first step, what we normally would do, or what we always do, is circle that number in front of the parentheses. Then we're going to distribute that number. So that 5 is going to be multiplied by that 4C. So what I'm going to do is, I'll do it with this. Okay, so I'll have, hold on. Here we go. Let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, cool. So, there we go. So we have that 5 times 4 times that C. Then we have our 5 and we distribute it to that 6. So 5 times that 6 is going to be in that parentheses now. 5 times 6. Now, what can we do here? Can we do anything more? Yes, we can. So this 5 times 4C, we can do 5 times 4. So this 5 times 4 is going to be 20. And then when you copy it, or when you keep that C, you're going to have 20C, or 20 times C. There we go. All right, so we have 20C, or 20 times C. Plus, well, what is this 5 times 6? Well, I know 5 times 6 is 30. So there, we can't do anything more. So here's 2 equivalent expressions of this first part. So what we're going to look at here, A, B, C, D, and E. A says 5 times that quantity of C plus 4. So 5 times C plus 4? No, not really. And then 5 plus 6? No, we can't be even adding in there. So what we're going to look at, let's look at the next one. So it won't be A. I'll make that in red. Let's take a look at letter B. 20C plus 30. 20C plus 30? 20 times C plus that 30? Yes, it is. So that's one of them. But it says select each. So we need to make sure that there's nothing else, or maybe there is something else. Maybe there's more than one more other thing. Maybe there's 2 more. I don't know. 54 times C plus 56. No, I don't even know what they're getting there. Oh, they were just keeping that 5, 4. Nope. That is not it. All right, now 5 plus that 4C, then plus 6, 5 plus 4. No, when we're distributing, we're multiplying. So let's take a look at this last one. 5 times that 4C. Oh, yep, 5 times 4C. Plus 5 times 6. Yep, plus 5 times 6. So it is also going to be letter E. So we have letter B and E. And that is it for our daily math review. Great job.